Hello YouTube, today we are gonna see how we can reset Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10 password without any cracking softwares. In this you just need to have a Windows installation CD or Pendrive. So let's get started. So currently my password is 3 times /. Let's see how we can correct this. Now we need to power off and boot into the Windows installation Pendrive or CD. In my case I'm using Pendrive. Check the boot menu key for your system. It depends on which laptop or PC you are using. If you'll need to know, just leave a message your laptop model in our Telegram group. We will let you know the key for your laptop or PC. The Telegram group link is in the description. You can join for any queries. Now select your bootable drive. Mine is SanDisk USB. If you are using Windows CD, then select the CD DVD option. Now click on Next. Now here you need to click Repair your computer. Choose Troubleshoot. Now select System Image Recovery. Cancel this. Click on Advanced. Now we need to click on Install a driver. Now select the drive where your Windows is installed. If you see this Windows folder in the drive, then that's your Windows installed drive. Open the Windows folder. Now open System 32 folder. Now you need to search for utilman.exe file and change its name. Then we need to change cmd.exe to utilman.exe, which means when we click on Utility Manager in the lock screen, it will open a command prompt where we can run our commands to crack the password. Now rename the CMD file to utilman and done. Now we can close all tabs and click on Power Off. This is the Utility Manager button. Now when we click on this we get command prompt opened. Now we can type our main commands. Here you can see my usernames. Type in the next command. As you can see now it's showing to enter our new password without the old password. I entered my new password. Type exit. Now let's try to enter our new password. we are in. Like this way you can reset any Windows password in easy ways. Subscribe for more.